Want to watch YouTube TV on your TV screen using Chromecast? It's easy. In this guide, we'll show you how to set up Chromecast and stream YouTube TV seamlessly. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark ensure your Chromecast device is plugged into your TV and powered on. White heavy checkmark makes sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as Chromecast. Step 2. Set up Chromecast. Keycap 1. Plug the Chromecast into your TV and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Keycap 2. If needed, download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Keycap 3. Open the app and follow the setup steps to connect Chromecast to your Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Install YouTube TV app on your device. On mobile devices, Keycap 1. Download and install the YouTube TV app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Keycap 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account using your Google credentials. Step 4. Cast YouTube TV to your TV. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Keycap 2. Select the cast icon located at the top of the screen. Keycap 3. Choose your Chromecast device from the list. Keycap 4. Select a video or channel to play, and it will cast to your TV. Step 5. Control playback on Chromecast. You can control playback, pause, play, rewind, fast forward, directly from the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Use Google Assistant to control playback with voice commands, such as pause YouTube TV or skip to the next episode. Step 6. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond video not casting? Ensure both your device and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Small blue diamond buffering or lagging. Try reducing the video quality in the YouTube TV settings or use a wired Ethernet connection with Chromecast if supported. Bonus tip: for an even smoother experience, use Chromecast with Google TV for built-in apps and easy navigation. Enjoy seamless YouTube TV streaming on your TV with Chromecast. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.